San Francisco's immigration court on Montgomery Street is closing for good. ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Luz Pena is live with why the court is closing and how it will impact thousands of immigrants across the Bay Area. Luz.
Yes, Emma, the immigration court that is set to close today is a couple blocks away. But behind me is 630 Sansom. After today, this will be the last immigration court in San Francisco. 8 months ahead of schedule, the federal government is officially closing San Francisco's 100 Montgomery Street Immigration Court. We captured the last hours of service with one person remaining in line.
We're talking about 15,000 cases that are in limbo in San Francisco. It's a major hub of immigration in the United States.
Before the May 1st closure, the Department of Justice fired at least 20 of the 22 immigration judges at the Montgomery Street courthouse. In December, we interviewed one of them, Jeremiah Johnson. Why do you think you were fired?
For doing my job. Immigration judges preside over removal proceedings. That's what the law states.
Bill Hing, professor of law and migration studies at the University of San Francisco, believes the federal government was following the record of asylum cases that were granted here.
They wanted to get rid of immigration judges that were fair when it came to asylum cases.
In a statement, the Executive Office of Immigration Review under the U.S. Department of Justice said they determined it would be more cost-effective to relocate its court operations at 100 Montgomery Street to the nearby Concord Immigration Court. In Concord, immigration advocates are concerned this closure will lead to multiple years of delayed hearings.
San Francisco, there are like 120,000 cases pending. In Concord, it's half, 60,000. So that's where we are right now.
The Executive Office of Immigration Review said they will begin issuing new hearing notices to all parties whose cases are reassigned to the Concord Immigration Court. Millie Atkinson, director of the Immigrant Legal Defense Program at the Bar Association of San Francisco, said many still don't know where they will go.
We've had a lot of cases and received a lot of information about people who had their hearing changed and they were not aware of it, and they got a notice afterwards that their case was closed.
Advocates are concerned this closure could lead to confusion and potential deportation orders if people miss their immigration appointments. The Department of Justice confirmed all the appointments from 100 Montgomery Street will be transferred to the Concord Immigration Court and 630 Sansom here.